Has your VP44 fuel pump given up? A new Bosch pump will set you back about $6,000. You can get it repaired for about $3,000.
Or the Bailey's Diesel Group can completely rebuild it for just $2,200.
With a new ECU and housing, fully blueprinted to exactly the same specs as a new Bosch pump. Tested and calibrated on a Bosch test bench and certified by Bosch.
Apart from the price, the only difference really between a brand new pump and a Bailey's blueprinted pump is the warranty.
The new Bosch pump has a 12-month warranty. The Bailey's blueprinted pump comes with a 2-year warranty.
It's a third the price with twice the warranty.
Backed by the world's leaders in diesel combustion technology. Visit our website for more information or call Bailey's on 1800 465 328.